Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're bringing you the best Christmas bath bomb set you can get your hands on this season. The Christmas Bath Bomb Set for Kids by NEWFEIFAN. If you're looking for a unique, fun, and relaxing gift for children or a festive treat for the whole family, stay tuned because we're diving into everything this holiday-themed bath bomb set has to offer. Let's start with the design. This set includes 6 individually crafted bath bombs that are handmade with care. Each one is compact and easy to hold, which is perfect for little hands. The bright, festive design isn't just for show. It makes bath time feel like part of the Christmas celebration. Whether it's for boys or girls, the packaging and presentation are tailored to delight children and make bath time something they actually look forward to. Now let's talk about the real magic. What happens when these bath bombs hit the water? The moment they're dropped into a warm bath, they start fizzing and releasing bubbles, transforming the bath into a playful, bubbly wonderland. It's like a mini science experiment right in your tub. For kids who resist bath time, this turns it into an event they'll be excited about. And for parents, that's a game changer. But this set isn't just for kids. NEWFEIFAN has created something that the whole family can enjoy. As the bath bombs fizz, they release soft, soothing aromas, like strawberry, mango, watermelon, peach, grapefruit, and orange. These gentle fragrances are not overpowering but calming. If you're a busy parent, especially a mom looking for a few minutes of serenity, these bath bombs deliver a spa-like escape right in your own bathroom. A thoughtful feature worth noting is the individual sealed packaging of each bomb. Not only does this keep each one fresh and protected from moisture, but it also makes them easy to store and perfect for gifting. No mess, no crumbling, and no rush to use them all at once. Pop them in a drawer, stash them in a gift box, or slide them into stockings. They're ready when you are. Speaking of gifting, this set is made for the holidays. The cheerful packaging and festive theme make it a fantastic stocking stuffer or small holiday gift. Whether you're giving to your own kids, nieces, nephews, or family friends, it's a unique combination of fun and function that stands out. It shows thoughtfulness without breaking the bank. And while the product is branded for kids, let's be honest, it's also a subtle self-care gift for adults. After the wrapping paper's torn and the excitement winds down, a warm bath with relaxing scents is exactly the kind of Christmas moment you'll want to unwind with. So, to sum it all up, the NEWFEIFAN Christmas Bath Bomb Set isn't just another holiday novelty. It's a multi-purpose, joy-filled experience wrapped in a small, colorful package. With fun fizzing action for the kids, calming aromas for the grown-ups, and holiday spirit packed into every bomb. It truly earns its place as the best Christmas bath bomb set this season. If you're thinking of making your holiday gift giving a little more magical this year, this is one product you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hands-on reviews and gift ideas. See you next time.